Dumelang bagaetsho. So I'm about to leave for Maung. I've got my bags packed and everything. Wait, how do I work this thing? How do I work this thing? These are my bags. Gimbal. Anyway, I'm leaving for Maung right now with my uncle. We're trying to get a cat to come back with me to Maung because I really like it and my mom wants it. So let me show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. She's so scared. This candle. It smells so good. Thank you. I want to get this I'm currently just sitting outside because today is a very cloudy, rainy day, but it's very thunderstormy. And I'm wearing this vest, which doesn't really represent the weather because it's breezy, but yeah, it looks so beautiful, honestly. Listen to that. Hi. Okay, so I'm quite short, but I got a few things today. My mom got me a few things today. Okay, two things, I think. In this bag. So the first thing she got me was this throw. It's in this blue color. This is what it looks like. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I love it. And then the second thing I got was this candle. Because the candle I have now is, the wick is like not working or something. So I got this ocean breeze because it was the only one that smelled the way I like. And it smells good. Hopefully the candle wick won't die on me like the other one did. But this is just basically the candle I got. I got this from Pep along with the throw. And the last thing I got, or the last thing my mom got me, is this Rooibos leave-in conditioner for the hair. My hair is like really hard. So I think this will help me on days where I feel like I don't want to do too much on my head. I want to go and start studying for a test I have on Monday. And that's basically it. Initially, they think the others are being when I say it's raining heavily, actually is, look at that. It's raining heavily, and I just went to run an errand for my mom. So I think I hit something with the car. Guys, my first car and I hit something. Honestly, I don't know what to say about that because what the heck? Good morning. Currently trying to upload a video on YouTube. It's not working out. My phone is overheating. Of course, because I've been trying to do this for a long time. So the phone has been on for a long time. I got pills for my skin. It's not doing so good. I don't know why, but I did get pills. I went to the pharmacy. So I got Dime 35, which is a contraceptive. It is a contraceptive, but it helps regulate your menstrual cycle and also your hormones, so then it helps with the acne. I don't know if it makes sense, but that's what I'm going to be taking these for. And also, I don't want to take Accutane because it gives me really bad headaches and other side effects, so I'd rather just take this. Yeah, I'm gonna start today. So today is the 9th of November, and I'm going to start my 9:35 this evening. Right now I am just trying to read because later on today I have a meeting or practicing the dance for the wedding this December. So Kato. We're going to expand on what we know about exponents by learning about their inverse operation. Say hi, I'm a handsome miracle. That's kind of a strange name for a math operation.
I make comics.
It's great. Okay.
Wanna see the first issue of Fireman?
Okay, yeah.
The first issue
Why
opens up.
is it falling apart?
It's old. Very old.
Okay.
So addition and subtraction are inverse operations.
Very.
Likewise, you can undo multiplication by
It begins with the main character waking up.
But this one does. Stand it. No, it doesn't need a stand. Let's remove the stand. I want to see if it can stand without. But it can, you see?
Yes.
You just have to. Listen, guys, I am really hopeful. I know the last time I wasn't, but I'm really hopeful. I'm doing environmental biotechnology, and it looks hopeful. I don't want to stay up all night Monday. I don't want that. I want to be able to wake up and just revise what I've learned and go write a test knowledgeable about what I'm actually writing. So that's what I'm trying to achieve, and I think I will achieve it because it's just talking about pollution, and I think we all learned this in secondary school, primary school. I mean, come on, right? I'm just lying to myself. It is currently 11 p.m. I am having some iced coffee. Okay, it doesn't look iced because the ice has melted, but it was iced a few minutes ago. I don't like coffee, but I want to stay up tonight so that I sleep during the day tomorrow on my way to Palape on the bus. Because I really don't want to fail this test. I don't. I feel like writing a test when you know what you want to write, when you know the content, it's just so much fun. It's been a good weekend, honestly. I'm so grateful to have such supportive and loving parents in my life. I think it's something that most people take for granted because most parents aren't the same. Some parents just don't care, and that's the reality of things. Or some parents are not there anymore. Yeah. Good night. I just arrived. I literally just arrived. But I did get food and spa. I got beef and fries. I also got this drink. I don't know if I've had this drink before in this channel, but I've never had it. I don't think I've had it. Oh! What should I do? Not funny. Not funny. But yeah, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, it's a mess right now. Bye.